Locals of Oinam constituency lamenting over the dilapidated condition of several roads and shortage of drinking water in the area have demanded authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Speaking to media today, Director of Tanglei Haida Manipur Kanbalup Tamkal Advisory Board, Oinam Chaubamaitai pointed out the deplorable condition of the 2-kilometer road passing through Oinam Market to Oinam Mamang Irom under the jurisdiction of Oinam Municipal Council, as well as the 4-kilometer road stretch from Oinam Mamang Laikai Manglim to Yangoi Salanpam and the half-kilometer road from Oinam Water Supply to Oinam Awang Laikai. He asserted that above the poor road condition, there are no street lamps posing threat to commuters in the area. Despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's assurance to ensure safe drinking water, the locals in the area are still reeling under acute water shortage, he lamented. Chauba drew the attention of the local MLA and relevant departments to initiate necessary measures to ease the plights facing the locals within 7 days, else warned that they will launch various intense agitations.
Oinam the Libiri Paicha quite Tarana, Mating Pangbidana, Equi, Ninganaba Latana, Equina Sitan Jariba, Toram, Todang, Lambi, Seminabagi Wapam Share, Nasidagina Hapta Amapawi Manunda, Lambi, Seminabagi, Zabzaba, Action taken do Lokopirta Taragati, Tongan by action. Oinam gi praja khudimangna mambi thingmani khangde lambi tokhaibani khangde masigi wafam si tawrasi haibagi adu wakat adu aina mayangi mo chinjarga tamjabani ngasi phawba lambi gi thongi kariguma amatta yengsan pidaba dongna oinam da leibiru praja singa si karimata uraroi khangaroi laurak tere haibagi matagum leiba simak oinam da leibiru praja ipaipal khudimki poningda hena hena ngon pamakon marmu arga ngasi di khangba ngam dabagi saruki wang lan thoga khoi prince media da haijabani